right, we're back in the garage. I'm gonna walk around this thing and show you what we're doing here. So this is a full-size 4-seat Polaris Turbo RZR, and it fits in the garage on the trailer. Now if I didn't have toolboxes back there, it'd fit a little better. But you can put it in your garage on a trailer. So it's a tight fit. It's a very tight fit. Everything is built that way. So in the garage, you can see the trailer is a little bit bigger than the side-by-side. Not a lot bigger. It was meant to be just a tight fit, because if you live in an area like I do, you don't have a ton of space. I mean, my garage is packed. I got a truck over here I'm doing a restoration on, but that's another story. But it fits. This is the small bay on the garage. This garage door measures about 96 wide by about 84 tall. Maybe it's 83. 84 is the opening, but then if you take the trim and stuff, you're at about 83 inches high. So this trailer, with the newer RZRs, they're a little wider. They'll drop down here in these pans, which makes it a little bit lower as well. The bags, we'll pull it out here in a minute and reinflate to get ready to go down the road. But this is it. It's parked. It's in the garage. Unhook it from your truck and you're done. You don't have to unload it off the trailer. You don't have to reload it on the trailer. You don't have to find somewhere to park your trailer. It just works. So if you have any questions about this, anything at all, shoot us a message. Go to bishtech.com, get a hold of us there. We sell these trailers, we build these trailers for people who live in subdivisions. And we are licensed, insured. We can issue manufacturer certificate of Oregon. We're all set up with the state and everything to do that. So pretty fantastic trailer, pretty freaking awesome. Now there are a few some people will point out a few things on this hitch setup in the front. Got to do a little bit different on that one. What else? These pans, I'm doing a little different on the pans. They're actually going to be a little bit further in here, make it a little bit wider, a little bit easier to load. The fenders are drive over fender. These things work really well. I'm super excited about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back out here. We'll take it outside. I'm probably gonna put it back in and out a few times just for testing purposes, but pretty excited about this thing. All right, so after you pull it out of the garage, I have a little DeWalt air compressor here. You can get any one you want. Pull that out of the garage and you bring your airbags back up. You adjust your jack height and you're ready to go down the road. Well, you raise your tongue back up to where it belongs and you're ready to go down the road. So it's a pretty slick system here. All right, so bags are up. We're at about 8 inches off the ground there, and we're about 8 inches off the ground at the back. This thing's ready to go down the road. So we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna run it back in the garage and show you how it works. So what you do right up here on the front, again, remember this is a prototype. We have a valve manifold designed to make this a little bit nicer. We also have options for like an onboard air compressor. I'll turn this way so you can see me better. We have options for onboard air compressor. We have options for carrying cans, like for gas can stuff in the front, different things like that. And if you notice this one, this side by side is actually a little bit shorter. This trailer is going to be designed to haul all of the big 4-seaters. And so the Can-Am is actually quite a bit longer than the Razor. And this one's, the new Razor's, again, longer than this one. So anyway, now that you back it up to your garage door, all you have to do is you dump your air right here. Dump the air. Trailer drops right down to the ground. I'm at 2 inches. I'm about 2 inches right there. I'm gonna drop the front now. I could probably get away without having to drop the front. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the front. And we're gonna back this thing in. All right, there you have it. There is the HOA special trailer. So if you want to order one, hit me up or go to bishtech.com to order one. So pretty slick. Yeah, super excited about this trailer. Keep her straight, you're good.